Hi guys. With the holiday, deep breath like I'm reading a script. I'm not even. The holidays are around the corner, right? I've got friends and family and I don't want to go out shopping, but I have a whole bunch of yarn, So my family and friends are getting scarves this year. And I thought I would show you the scarves that I made and the yarns that I use in case you're looking for a quick project to do as well. Last January, I decided to try doing a temperature blanket and it didn't work out, and I'll talk about that in a different video. But what it left me with was a whole lot of the Caron Simply Soft here in a rainbow of colors. And so this is not something I usually use. It splits a lot, like y'all know if you've tried this, right? But I've got this huge variety of colors here. Decided with Christmas being around the corner, I'm going to start using some of these up. So I decided, what fun would it be to combine them all into making Christmas scarf gifts for people. And it was fun putting some of these color combinations together. Look at that. Look, and there's a little loopy I have to weave in that I kind of overlooked. But they turned out real nice. I'll give you a close-up of all of these at the end here. Let me get those out of here. They were really simple to make. I didn't want a complicated pattern. I wanted it to be more utilitarian, so it had to be simple. I double-stranded it, as you saw, with the Caron Simply Soft, and I went with a stacked V-stitch. And I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how to do that. If you've not seen it before, it's a very simple, basic beginner pattern, and go give it a look. This is a fun project. You could easily knock this out in a day or two, depending on how much time that you put into it. To begin the stacked V-stitch, we begin with any number of even stitches. I am doing 12 here for my sample. After I've completed my foundation row, my personal preference is to put a row of single crochets before I begin my pattern. I prefer to do my single crochets in that back bubble. Now that I am all set to start running away with the pattern here, we begin with 3 chains here, which acts as a double crochet. We're going to skip 1 stitch, and then we're going to put 2 double crochets in the next. And then we do this all the way across. Then we will chain 3 and we will turn. And that's your whole pattern, just that one row. We begin the next row going into the space in between the 2 double crochets. And we do that all the way across, chain 3 and turn, and you do that to your desired length. I personally would finish it very simply with just a single crochet.